1. Not amount to a hill of beans.
세 발의 피 가치가 없는.
You'll never amount to a hill of beans.
Don't amount to a hill of beans in this crazy world.
Don't amount to a hill of beans in this crazy world.
2. Demanding.
요구가 많은 까다로운.
He thinks I'm too demanding.
Customers can be so demanding.
3. Have a way with.
다루는 방법을 잘 안다.
You have a way with people.
You have a way with words.
You always did have a way with women.
4. Go between.
중개인 중개를 하다.
I'm your go-between.
Talk to her. Be the go-between.
Or could have go-betweens, betweens, go-betweens.
5. Majority rules.
다수결의 원칙.
Majority rules. Let's take a vote. Majority rules.
There's 5 of us here. Majority rules.
수고하셨습니다. 오늘 하루도 행복하세요.
Well done. Keep it up.